Hello there and welcome to the Vermin Hunters TV with me, Si Pitaway. Well, today on the show it's going to be something a little different, and we're doing a review on mine and Davy's new ATN Shot Trak rifle mounted camera. And just so you see what it looks like, it's this tiny little camera here. You see underneath it fits with a Weaver mount, and the actual camera lens is underneath the little cover here, what fits. And on the back, hopefully you can see that, you've got the on off switch. Now they do two types of model. They do this one here, which comes just HD camera, and when I say HD camera, I've just got the instructions here. The quality of the camera, or the resolution, is 1920 times 1080. That's at 30 frames per second, so it's full HD. And the video file format is MPEG-4, so it's a nice small file. Now, this obviously is a camera, so you can record. You can record straight to the camera, and at the front of the camera, just here, if I can try and show you, there's a little clip here what opens up, and then you can fit a micro SD card in, and I've got a 32GB card in. Now I just bought that and thought I'll stick it in, but you don't actually have to do that because it's only an MPEG-4 file and it's quite small. Even if you was to put an 8GB card in according to the instructions, you'd still get 105 minutes of recorded video. So 8GB is plenty. With a 32 I can get 450 minutes of recorded video time on it. So this review is going to be more about showing you what it can do. I'm going to talk quickly obviously about it, so you can see it comes in a nice box like this. I'll just turn it round. You can see it can be fit on pistols, bows, shotguns, rifles, like so. And then it tells you a little bit about it. I'll just read off it. It says full HD, as we've said, built-in microphone. It's got a 5 megapixel Cosmos camera, micro SD card, which is not included, so you have to get that yourself. ×5 magnification. Now this is one of the reasons why I bought it. I've got a GoPro Black Edition, which is the top of the range GoPros, and it takes 4K quality footage, so it's absolutely phenomenal. You know, it's twice, 3 times better than this, but it's not got a magnification on it, so it's just if you're looking at far distance targets, say 45-50 meters, it's only a tiny pinprick. I have ordered a lens to go on my GoPro which will make it ×2 magnification, but this comes as standard as ×5. Now the other model they do, I did say they have two. It's same as this one, exactly the same, but you've got a laser and you've got windage and elevation for laser. After doing a little bit of watching on YouTube and seeing people who'd got the laser, I thought about not bothering, because in daytime you couldn't see the laser, and at night time this camera is not a night vision camera, it only works in day, so you could only really use it in low light. So I thought there's no point in paying. Now to buy the camera like it is, it's £99 from Scott Country, and that includes your postage. And I think if you buy it with the laser, I think it's either 127 or 129. So you're paying about an extra £27–29 for the laser. But like I say, I'm not going to use it because, or I didn't buy it because there was no point really for me. It's water resistant, and the battery it takes is the CR123A battery. And the lens is called a brilliant lens. I'm not sure what that is. You can see there, it's ×5 magnification. And as you'll see a little bit later on, because I've already took quite a bit of footage with this, it works really well. Shot. Not far, 22–23 meters. Pigeon. I've got to feed the pellet through a branch. and give it a mil dot. Oh, there he goes. Straight down. Nice clean headshot. Straight out the tree, straight down. Oh, lovely. 34 metres. Just over half a mil dot that was. Straight over. Back leg going up. There we go. Straight down. That was 54 metres. 3 mil dots of old over. Filmed on the Shot Trak's rifle camera. Got him, man, if the camera picked that up. There he is. 35 metres. Just 3/4 of a mil dot of old over. Close. Rolling precision that one. That's about 30 metres, maybe a metre or two shorter. I haven't lased it. Two rabbits there, about 55 metres away. One behind it, probably. I don't know. Just see his ears. 70, 80, maybe 90 metres. Standing unsupported.